Good morning, afternoon, or evening, everyone. How are we doing today? As always, I'll be your captain. It feels weird to call myself captain when I'm reacting to an ATEEZ video. Hongjun, I'm coming for your brand. Anyway, I'm your captain, Kieran, and today we will be checking out some of ATEEZ's Studio Choom dances. I have not seen several of these because I like to keep my sanity. ATEEZ is my alt group. I have their light stick right there. They're like, they're just amazing and talented. And let's just jump into it. What else is there to say? This is the one for firework. Oh God! Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. No! Get out of my zone. Son knows exactly what he's doing. Exactly what he's doing. Jungho. Baby, no. Winky, oh, this is during his hiatus. Aw. I'm very glad to have you back, Mingy. Hey, I love the choreography to this song. Wooyoung, stop! Put that tongue away! Someone 2.0 with that tongue, oh my god. Son in that outfit. Sir. Okay, can I just say that red hair was fire on Jungho. He looked incredible. He's back. He's back. Isn't that BB tripping with them? Oh God. They all have such intense gazes. Son, you have too much energy, sir. I love that. Put a shirt on! You can keep your shirt off if you want to, but for my sanity. They all look like the stylists knew what they were doing. They knew what they were doing. I just have to vibe at this point. Oh. Yo-sang! Kang Yo-sang! Oh my god. Wooyoung's Artist of the Month. I haven't seen this yet. I haven't seen the other ones before, but this one I was just really... I'm watching...
I don't wanna be another him. That shit is over. Finally you found yourself a friend. Then you run him over. Ever since the start I saw the end around the corner, 'cause I know you so well. So predictable, you're an animal. I can't let you go. You're so good at being bad, you know. So predictable. You're an animal. I can't let you go. You're so good at being bad.
The way he moves his body is just...
I can see the way you look at me, waiting to attack. You are on your worst behavior, I want it just like that. I can see the way you look at me, waiting to attack. You are on your worst behavior, I want it just like that. Ready for this?
No!
You're so good at being bad.
Sir. I'm getting whiplash. Like, legit whiplash.
You're so good at being bad.
Wooyoung. Wooyoung. Babe. Oh, I've already reacted to this. This was really, really cute. I'm not going to react to it again, but I'm going to rewatch it on my own time. I wish I had more coherent thoughts, but, oh, my screen's going dark. Sorry about that. I wish I had more coherent thoughts about this, but ATEEZ is my alt group. They are phenomenal, and every time they do anything, I'm like, yes. Anyway, Studio Choom, thank you so much for making, or Coom Studio Choom, I don't know how to pronounce it, but thank you so much for making these. I thoroughly enjoyed watching them, and I think there's another one, but I'm not sure, but we'll definitely react to that one as well. Anyway, this has been your Captain Kieran. Hope you enjoyed, hope you stuck around, maybe consider liking and subscribing. But yeah, for now, that's it. I don't have anything else to say, guys. I was just wrecked. Anyway, this has been great. I hope you guys have a lovely, lovely morning, afternoon, or evening. And until next time, this is your Captain Kieran logging off. Bye.